Gabriel, who made the country fall in love, are now back, and playing them are our very own Casey Concepcion, Piolo Pascual, and Zangjo Marudo for the Korean novela remake of Lovers in Paris, which begins Monday, September 28th. And during their grand press conference, Casey and Piolo admit that they are each other's dream partner.
I'm excited because makikita na naman tayo sa TV every night. And more than that, I'm excited because I'm paired with Casey. You know, this is a dream project for me. When it was offered to me, sabi ko talaga, and with Casey, sabi ko, it's a blessing, you know. And every chance I get na makakuha ko ng ganitong klaseng trabaho, I'm very thankful, I'm very grateful.
Isa ako sa mga humahanga kay Piolo, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, as a girl, pero yung sa amin na rin mga kapamilya, I mean, ang dami rin I know na gustong makatrabaho siya. And so it's really a big blessing for me na sa kanya pa ako pinair this time. And I'm really happy.
September 28 na po, Lovers in Paris, ang pinakaabangan natin lahat. Of course, with Miss Casey Concepcion.
And Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Sa Primetime Bilang.
Primetime Bilang!
Take a short breather before their teleserye officially starts on Monday. Last Thursday, Casey Concepcion flew to Singapore to fulfill one of her duties as a UN ambassador.
This is for the UN. Meron kaming tie-up with Formula 1. Kami po yung official sponsors ng Toyota. So, andun po kami to raise awareness with F1 para sa lahat ng millions of fans ng race na to, na sana malaman nila na about yung programs ng World Food Program, yung ginagawa namin to bring children back to school.
So, makakahabol ka naman sa pilot episode?
Of course! Makakahabol din ako sa ASAP ng Sunday and sa The Bus. He's very supportive. Alam niya kung gaano kamahal yung trabaho ko with the United Nations. Alam din niya kung paano rin ako magtrabaho kasi nasamahan niya ako sa Rome nung nagkaroon ako ng mission doon. I mean, he's a very good friend, very supportive. So, you know, I think about him all the time when I do my UN work kasi he's one of the people na naiintindihan yung trabaho ko.
Meanwhile, her Prince Charming Piolo proves that not only has he got the face and the talents, he's also got the style, as he is one of the 6 Best Dressed awardees of the Garage Straight Dapper Kinds 2009.
To be given this kind of recognition, it's something new for me. So, of course, I'm thankful to Garage, you know, for this honor. And nakaka-challenge din. Sometimes you wanna experiment, sometimes you wanna parang do something different. But I'm still very simple. As you can see, hindi ako, mga forma ko talaga, I'd rather dress down, you know, para at least mas hindi pansinin. We're blessed. And masaya kami kasi finally papalabas yung Lovers in Paris and we're both busy. So, ano lang, syempre huwag pa rin kakalimutan na, you know, face lang to, temporary lang to. So, ano lang, enjoy lang, kumbaga, savor the moment. And enjoy kami sa show namin, masaya kami, magkakasama kami. And yun, you know, minsan ka lang magkaroon ng show so talagang bubuhos mo na yun. And I'm excited for her because this is her first show and binigay talaga niya lahat.
Dr. David Pibello and one